Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, access to mobile or desktop, and a basic channel identity. Sign in to YouTube with that Google account. Make sure it's the account you want associated with Shorts. Once signed in, tap your profile and choose Create Channel or switch to an existing channel. You should add a clear profile picture and short bio now so viewers recognize you. These small steps speed up Shorts creation and improve discoverability. Next, set up your channel and content workflow so you can publish Shorts quickly. You customize channel layout and links, then open the Shorts camera or upload a vertical 9:16 video under 60 seconds. This matters because YouTube classifies content as Shorts by format and length. When uploading, write a concise title, include #shorts in the title or description, choose visibility, and add tags or a category to help YouTube recommend your clip. Make sure thumbnails and captions are clear for mobile. Finally, publish and promote your Shorts while monitoring performance metrics. You press publish, then review views, watch time, and retention in YouTube Studio after 24 to 48 hours to learn what works. Promote by sharing links, creating Shorts playlists, and posting regularly so the algorithm has data to surface your clips. If your video doesn't register as a short, troubleshoot. Confirm 9:16 aspect ratio under 60 seconds, and include #shorts. Adjust and re-upload if necessary, rather than
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.